Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export selection or one column to text file with Kutools for Excel. The save as command can export all data in the active worksheet as text. What if exporting all data of a specified inactive worksheets or part of the data in a worksheet as a text file? Kutools for Excel's export range to file utility can help us export and save the data in selection as a text file easily. Select the range you will export to a text file. In our case, we select column B, click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and select Export Range to File feature. In the Export Range to File dialog box, please do as follows. Check the Unicode text option in the File Format section and check the Save the Actual Values or Save Values as shown on the screen option as you need in the text option section. Click on the Browse button to specify the destination folder that you will save the exported text file into. Click the OK button. Again click the OK button and name the exported text file in the new opening dialog box. Click the OK button and then the selected column A has been exported as a text file and saved into the specified folder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.